Today we are going to replace a power steering pump. This is a Ford F350 2003 6.0 diesel SuperDuty truck. But let's get into this. Hopefully this video helps somebody out. We got to take off this air filter, maybe just up to here. Let's remove this battery. We'll take this intake off, and I think we'll be able to access everything. Does anybody know what these are? All right, let's make some room here. Look at this right here. Oh, you can see that right there. Somebody put something aftermarket here on the negative side of the battery. I don't see any reason ever to put something on the negative side of a battery because the entire truck is grounded. So why would you come straight to the battery? Put something there. Yep, something to tell you that the previous owner of this truck might not have known what they were doing. Not that I know a lot about what I'm doing, but anywho, always take the negative off first, then get to the positive. I already took the other side, the other battery off. This truck has 2 batteries, and did that off camera. All right. There we go. 3, 4. Let's unhook the mass airflow sensor clip here. Okay, come on. This is, what is this? Air filter restriction gauge. All right, let's unhook that too. What are you doing in the barn? All right, get. Yeah, there you go. Okay, I've decided to go ahead and drain the coolant. Go. All right, let's get this coolant hose disconnected. Sometimes, there we go. I think that'll be fine. All right. We'll just pull it out of the way. Here's your power steering pump right here. We need to take this belt off. In order to take this off, there's only 4 bolts. 1, 2 on top, and a couple underneath we'll go under in a second look at. This is not connected to anything. Okay, what we need to do now is take off the tension of this belt and then remove it. So the weapons of choice we're going to use is a 1/2 inch socket and a pipe. This is probably the hardest part of this whole operation. Okay, so I'm holding pressure on it and I got it in the slot. Let's see which way it turns. I do not know. Hopefully it goes up. No, I think it goes down. Wait, no, I was wrong. I didn't push hard enough. Okay, yeah, you're just gonna give it some pressure. This is tight. So pull up. There you go. Loosens. Get around there, please. Yes, all right. Easy enough. I don't know if you can see that here. Watch when I move it. Move it up, down. That's it right there. As soon as I take this off, it's gonna, yeah, fall down there. Check this out. This is the second time this year
This wren has used this nest for her babies.
Here we go. There we go. Now it's twisting. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, I just opened up the lid to the reservoir. Oh, wait, what? Oh man, I'm making a mess. Where's it driven from? All right, let's remove these bolts. It's 10 millimeter. Come on. What the hell, Bob, on that? Is a must-have, a crow's foot wrench, 18 mil, I believe. Oh, get on there. All right. Oh, come on. Oh, I lost it. Here it is. Tell me I loosened that. Yeah, all right. So, this is just a slow, laborious process. I think it's loose enough where I could do it with just my hands. I still got the 2 bolts up top holding it in. This is an Osage orange tree. Some people call them hedge apple trees. Deer love to eat these leaves. The only problem with these trees is they are very thorny. Look at this. Look at these thorns on here. So I will get them, these branches will fall down. I'll get them all in my shoes. They'll go through the shoe, pierce my feet. I have to take needle nose pliers to get them out. It's also very strong wood, very flexible wood. The Indians use this wood for making bows. These also make excellent 3-man slingshots. That's my understanding. Got lots of them here in Tennessee. So I realized the camera wasn't rolling when I took this out. The number, I don't know if it may be the original pump. If it is, it lasted 19 years. Listen to it. Old, new, side by side. Inside, a little bit different from this one. Okay, let's get this pump put back together. Here we go. Yeah, I stretched it out a little bit. I think that will be okay. Stay. Oh, there we go. Oh, too far. Oh, come on, right there. Right there. Right on top of my head. Okay, I'm gonna tighten up the 10 mil bolts and then I'll tighten this down all the way. This wrench is on this last leg. Maybe it needs to be clean. That's as tight as she's gonna get. I didn't feel like it went in there. I guess it locks right up against that washer. I'm just gonna clean her off so we can check, see if there's any leaks once we fill her back up. Can't let go of this, can't let go of that. Oh man, this is challenging. I need a third hand. That's on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got it. And I got the winch. Wait, no. This is it. All right. Okay, let's see if we can repair this. It's not doing much in any direction. Okay. I think I might have lost some footage, but this is the automatic transmission and power steering fluid that Ford recommends. Let's continue to bleed this truck. Wheels off the ground. Let's open this up. On, but not started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and brake. 1, 2, 3, and let's do it all over again. 7, 9, 3rd, 5. You hear the power steering pump when I put on the brakes at about 2,000 RPMs. Maybe I'll keep going. mind, that's the pump. It may not be fully bled. And we're getting a little pushback on the brakes. That is not the turbo you're hearing. You might hear the turbo too, but definitely the power steering pump.
So let me close this video out. There probably will be a part 2 of this video with me replacing the power steering filter. So bleeding the pump is definitely the most difficult part. You jack up the front wheels off the ground, turn the steering wheel to the right, to the left, 5 to 10 times, pump the brakes 3 times, repeat that cycle. Well, I repeated it over 100 times. I still get that whine after 100 times. I asked the shop what they recommend, and they said just drive it. And it'll heat up and work the bubbles out. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm hoping it'll work its way out. I'll give an update later if it finally goes away. Man, maybe the pump is bad. But thanks for watching.